Sweden is quietly surging forward with its own AI-enabled, stealthy sixth-generation fighter intended to blast onto the scene by 2035 to conduct high-speed attacks, a sixth-generation stealth fighter jet designed to ensure NATO's air dominance and counter the Russian threat. Built by Saab, the Flygsystem 2020 features advanced stealth, control drones from the cockpit, or flight of drones that can sprint ahead to fire hypersonic missiles, collect intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance data, conduct electronic warfare, and perform advanced aerial combat maneuvers. The Swedes are getting into the sixth-generation fighter game, and they have big plans for a new stealth warbird that could transform its air force. The country is now a member of NATO, and the skies must be kept safe from Russian fighters who may encroach on Swedish or Allied airspace. The Saab Flygsystem 2020 certainly has a futuristic ring, and the defense contractor hopes the new airplane can quickly achieve air dominance. Sweden's approach emphasizes automated, real-time sensor fusion and networked smart weapons, creating unprecedented situational awareness. As the world debates future air power, Sweden's under-the-radar progress offers critical insights for the evolution of manned-unmanned air combat. This ambitious warbird aims to dominate contested airspace, supporting the older JAS-39 Gripen for now, but poised to eventually replace it. Still, the Flygsystem 2020 concept shows that the Swedish military is taking Russia as a serious threat and that it is not afraid to go on the offense if needed. Geopolitical developments, including Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014 and its invasion of Ukraine in 2022, have increased Sweden's focus on air defense modernization, where after China's unveiling of an unmanned new stealth aircraft, which was seen flying alongside a J-25th generation fighter, the recent unveiling of China's sixth-generation stealth fighter marks a significant milestone in the realm of military aviation, which has been shrouded in secrecy, demonstrates China's commitment to advancing its military capabilities. As the world watches, this development raises questions about the future of aerial warfare and the implications for global military balance. While the United States, together with Russia and China, are now the world's top producers of fighter jets, the Europeans maintain a large fighter jet industry. Currently, the Europeans are producing 3 multi-role fighter jets: the Eurofighter Typhoon, the Dassault Rafale, and the Saab Gripen. The Europeans produce a number of other military aircraft, such as the Airbus A400M Atlas strategic transport aircraft, refueling aircraft, and the Aermacchi M345 advanced trainer light attack aircraft. These programs are part of broader initiatives among NATO countries to develop sixth-generation fighter jets with enhanced capabilities, such as stealth technology and drone integration. The GCAP project involves approximately 9,000 personnel, while the FCAS initiative is a collaborative effort between France, Spain, and Germany, with Belgium also potentially participating. Meanwhile, the United States is working on its next-generation air dominance NGAD program, although this has faced delays due to cost concerns. The Pentagon is still debating the future of the U.S. Air Force's USAF Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program, slated for operational readiness by the 2030s. This has become more accentuated after Elon Musk made a statement that there was no role for crewed fighters. The timelines of the European Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, sixth-generation aircraft involving the UK, Japan, and Italy, are similar to the American. With Beijing having stolen a march over Washington, the debate will have fresh connotations. Additionally, the Swedish Air Force's Flygsystem 2020 program is an indigenous initiative to develop and eventually field a fifth-generation stealth aircraft sometime in the next decade. However, given the availability of fifth-generation aircraft already, first and foremost the American-led F-35 program, as well as the progress being made by various other European countries to develop and field fifth- or sixth-generation aircraft already, it would not be surprising if Sweden chooses to join a project that already exists rather than to strike out on its own, given the cost and technological challenges inherent in stealth fighter design. As Sweden evaluates its options, discussions are increasingly focusing on the potential incorporation of autonomous capabilities into future combat aircraft. Concepts under consideration include smaller unmanned vehicles that could assist piloted aircraft or larger, fully unmanned combat systems. These systems would operate within a network of sensors connecting satellites, ships, and other military assets, allowing for rapid information sharing and coordinated responses to threats. While the path Sweden will ultimately choose remains uncertain, Defense Minister Pål Johnson has indicated that international cooperation will be necessary, though the form it will take has yet to be determined. Sweden has maintained an independent defense approach, while other Nordic countries, Finland, Norway, and Denmark, have procured US-made F-35 fighters. Sweden's air defense strategy retains 6 Swedish Air Force squadrons equipped with JS-39 Gripen aircraft, including both JS-39E and older JS-39CD variants, to meet NATO Integrated Air and Missile Defense (EAMD) requirements. Infrastructure upgrades are planned to improve airbase dispersal and mobilization, and pilot training programs will expand with international opportunities. Between 2025 and 2030, the fighter divisions will integrate long-range strike capabilities and unmanned aerial systems for reconnaissance and security. The fighter would be an ambitious step forward in fighter aviation, designed to address future threats and opportunities in a rapidly evolving aerospace landscape. While its specifications remain classified, the project diverges significantly from the Gripen family of multi-role fighters in purpose, technology, and operational philosophy. Saab's Gripen has a solid reputation as a very cost-effective and versatile fighter capable of operating in diverse conditions and taking on a variety of mission profiles. However, it is primarily designed to balance performance, affordability, and interoperability with NATO systems rather than flying at the bleeding edge of technological innovation. Stealth capabilities aside, one of the essential factors that differentiates Flygsystem 2020 from the Gripen will be the integration of manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT. This capability enables a manned aircraft to operate in concert with unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, enhancing situational awareness, reducing risk to human pilots, and multiplying force projection. Unmanned UAVs flying with a piloted aircraft could act as so-called loyal wingmen, performing tasks such as surveillance, electronic warfare, or strike missions in contested environments. This ability to coordinate autonomous systems with human pilots will be essential in high-threat zones in the future, where UAVs can take on dangerous missions, allowing manned aircraft to maintain safer standoff distances and out of harm's way. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a crucial role in making these capabilities a reality. AI systems could enhance pilots' decision-making processes by performing mundane tasks like optimizing flight paths and managing sensor data to more involved processes like deciding on responses to electronic threats, target sets, or other aircraft. AI integration would be essential to reduce pilot workload and decrease response times, and not just while in the air. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.